Good afternoon. My name is Brandon Moore, and today I'm walking you through an organizational analysis of Lockheed Martin. Specifically, we're going to look at an area where the company isn't performing as strongly as it should, the people and management dimension, from Fortune's most admired companies criteria. My goal is to break this down in a way that's practical, grounded in research, and connected to real organizational behavioral principles. Lockheed Martin is a global leader in aerospace and defense, and its mission is directly tied to national security. The organization performs exceptionally well in many areas, but people management is not one of them. So today I'll identify the core issue, explain why it matters, and walk through how culture, structure, and Cotter's change model can help address it. The biggest challenge Lockheed Martin faces is attracting and retaining high quality STEM talent. This isn't just an HR problem, it's a strategic risk. The workforce is aging, internal processes are slow and bureaucratic, and engagement scores lag behind industry benchmarks. When you combine all of that, it becomes clear why people management is a weak spot. These issues are already affecting the organization. Turnover in engineering and cyber roles is rising. Labor costs are increasing and R&D timelines are slipping. Low morale slows innovation, and when innovation slows, competitive advantages erode. In the defense sector, that can directly impact contract performance and ability to meet modernization priorities. Lockheed Martin uses a divisional structure which supports specialization and accountability, but it also creates silos and inconsistent talent practices. Those structural realities shape how people experience the organization, and right now they're contributing to the problem. Culturally, Lockheed Martin is compliance driven, hierarchical, and risk adverse. Those traits make sense in a defense environment, but they also limit empowerment and psychological safety, two things younger STEM employees value highly. Internally, the company is dealing with legacy systems, leadership pipeline gaps, and uneven development programs. Externally, the competition for STEM talent is intense. Technology is evolving rapidly, and government contracting adds layers of constraints. All of these forces, shape how the company manages its people. Through the lens of conscious capitalism, Lockheed Martin scores high on purpose, national security. On purpose, national security is a powerful mission. When it comes to being employee centric, there's room to grow. Conscious leadership is improving, but the culture isn't fully aligned with people's first values. Cotter's 8-step model gives us clear framework for change. Step 1 is creating urgency using real data. Step 2 is building a guiding coalition. Step 3 is forming a strategic vision, becoming the most people-centric defense employer. Step 4 is communicating that vision consistently. Steps 5 through 8 focus on execution. Removing barriers means simplifying hiring and promotion processes. Short-term wins include improving onboarding and launching early career leadership programs. Sustaining acceleration requires mentorship, networks, and standardized development programs. Institutionalizing change means embedding people-centric metrics into evaluations. Lockheed Martin will face cultural resistance, compliance constraints, budget limitations, and deeply rooted silos. To overcome these challenges, the organization must realign HR systems, leadership development, cross-functional teams, and technology platforms so that they can reinforce goals. So the strategies for them to engage in would be build psychological safety, use evidence-based decisions, prioritize transparent communication, people development through coaching. And strategies to voice would include over-reliance on hierarchy, ignoring employee feedback, and allowing silos to persist. As a manager, a few lessons stand out. Psychological safety is essential for high performance. Evidence-based decision-making should guide talent practices. Transparent communication builds trust, and coaching is a core leadership responsibility. On the flip side, over-reliance on hierarchy and ignoring employee feedback undermine effectiveness. To wrap it up, people management is critical to Lockheed Martin's long-term success. Strengthening it requires structural adjustment, cultural shifts, and a disciplined change process. Carter's model provides the roadmap, and conscious culture principles offer the foundation. By becoming more people-centric, Lockheed Martin strengthens its workforce and its ability to innovate and deliver on its mission. Thank you.